Hi, I'm Joel, founder of RTG, and this is the onboarding video for our first beta testing users. Let's get started with a brief overview of why we built the app and what it does, and then I'll demonstrate how to use it. We have three philosophical tenets that guide us at RTG. 1, time is unmanageable, but with the right signals, we can unlock our passion to guide our focus in the pursuit of growth. 2, our purpose in life lies in the identities we hold and aspire to. Who do we want to be defines what we need to do and triggers the motivation to act. 3, life is hard, but much harder when we go it alone. We need strong connections where we can be accountable, supported, and be our authentic selves. Our goal is to raise the game for students in the proverbial arena of life, striving to grow and get ahead. The tools we're using today, including clocks, calendars, task lists, and so many apps, provide very limited, or worse, very noisy signals that undermine our ability to see what matters clearly at any given moment. This is where RTG comes in, with a goal to increase our focus and energy with the right set of clear signals. RTG treats time as a tangible resource, measured in 30-minute blocks that you can assign, track, and align with your identities, turning focus time into visible progress and shielding it from distraction through purpose-driven structure. RTG uses identities as clear, purpose-driven signals that transform who you want to be into focused, motivating action, bridging intention and effort with clarity and meaning. Key features for identities include the ability to set weekly time block goals that are tracked in scorecards. Each daily plan features a guide rail showing how much focus time you've planned and completed per identity. See how much time has passed on the guide rail to help keep you on pace and provide real-time feedback for when you need to pivot and adapt. RTG communities are spaces of shared accountability and authentic connection, where showing up, struggling, and growing together turns personal goals into a collective movement towards purpose. Now that you've got a basic understanding for the core RTG concepts, let's walk through a quick tutorial to get you started. A quick note about the app software. In its current configuration, RTG is a mobile web app. There's no app to download, and it will work in any compliant browser and related hardware, including desktops, iOS, and Android devices. There are a few benefits to this approach. 1, there is no software to download or update, which saves time and is one less thing for you to manage. 2, we can deliver updates in real time, so there's no delay in delivering new features. 3, you can run the app on your laptop or desktop, keeping it on one side as a guide while you work on other things, or you can run it dedicated from your phone, depending on which workflow works best for you. Lastly, RTG is a minimum viable product, otherwise referred to as an MVP. This means that all the features should work, but the app is far from a final product. Lots of things in the app can and will change, and your feedback will actually help guide our decisions as to what we build next. Have fun and be prepared to give us constructive feedback, and thanks for taking time to use RTG. When you log into the app for the first time, you will start on the Identities tab. This is where you create the identities you will use to organize your time. Each identity can have a unique color and a weekly goal that's tracked on a scorecard to keep you on track. After you create your identities, go to the plans page to start planning out your day. Tap the plus button to create a time card, give it a name, and assign it to an identity. Press on an open space on the time card you just created to open it so that you can add tasks and time blocks. Reminder, each time block represents 30 minutes of time. Press the play button on the integrated timer to work in 25-minute segments of focus time, consistent with the Pomodoro technique. When the timer ends, RTG will automatically mark completed time blocks and start the next timer to keep you moving forward towards your goal. Use the menu to optionally set a start time, save the card as a routine, move leftover tasks to a different day, or share it with your community. As you add time cards with assigned time blocks, the guide rail will fill up with the representative identity color for each card. You can quickly sequence your time cards by dragging and dropping them in an order that makes the most sense for you, so you can work through your cards without second-guessing what comes next. You can adjust the default guide rail start and end times by pressing on the start or end time to open the setting menu. There is also an option to add time markers for every 2 or 4 hours on the guide rail. Press the menu button on the time card and select Add Routine to create a routine from this card. To add this routine or future routines to your daily plan, press the plus button, Then press Add Routine. Press All to see any routine that has not been assigned to a day. Press the plus button on the routine to add it. If you want to assign a routine to specific days of the week, they will automatically appear in the Routines Today tab on that day. This just helps to speed up the daily planning process and remove redundant data entry. Press the Communities tab to view time cards that you or others have shared within your community. At this time, you can acknowledge what community members are working on by liking their cards. We expect to build out more functionality here soon based on your feedback. When using iOS to access the app, you can save a bookmark to your home screen so that it's accessible like a native app. Using the app this way also removes the Safari browser bar, freeing up extra screen space. Now you know how to use RTG to live with purpose, build your day around your values, and stay focused through real-time guidance. If you're ready to raise the game, we're here to support you. Join our Slack and let's shape RTG together.